Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this compact top load washer machine that this brand sent to me for this testing video. So ideally, you will want to put this one inside of your house, but something that you want to check out first is that all the faucets inside of your house are compatible with this one. I'll show you that one in a little bit, but what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just test it outside just because inside of my house, I don't have those compatible faucets. So with that being said, this one can go outside or inside if you want. You can use it outside in your patio, in your garage or something like that because it's compact, but it's also really good if you lack of space because this one loads up to 15.75 pounds with six automatic programs, and actually it's 10 automatic programs and 6 different water levels. So another thing, ideally you want to put that hose in a sink. It has to be elevated just like that, but you can do it in a sink or you can do it in an elevated thing. Like for example, if you have an outlet that goes outside and you can actually route that hose, you can do it as well. But again, this is for testing purposes. We're gonna load some soap, we're gonna load some clothes in here, and we're gonna test it out. But first, let me show you something. The first thing that you will have to do is remove these two kind of like foam packs that are inside. Don't use this washer machine with those inside because it may break. The other thing, you will give this a read, which is going to be a comprehensive way of understanding how to connect the different hose, like the water hose and the output one as well. And then you can actually check this one, which is going to be some of the accessories that you can use to connect it to your sink, for example, your kitchen sink or your kitchen faucet or your laundry faucet. Let's check something out first. So this is where you're going to connect your water hose. So the first thing you will have to do is connect this one over here, and we have it routed to this one over here so you can see how easy that's going to be. And then the second thing is going to be the output hose, which is going to be for the draining. So this one is going to be draining right here, but ideally you will have to use a sink. So this is going to be the process. After you have done all that connection with the hoses and everything else, you're going to actually turn on the water. So it's going to keep kind of like flowing the water inside of the washer machine. You're going to make a load. Just like that, you're gonna plug it in. Before, just remember you have different place of a different amount of programs and different amount of clothes that you want to put it in. So it's plugged right now. We have the clothes. Oh, we're gonna put the soap first. I forgot about that. Remember, top load for the soap. So a little bit of the soap of your choice. Remember, this is gonna be always top load. So you put the soap right here on top, or detergent, however you want to call it. Last but not least, we turn it on. We're going to select the water level and the program. Right now, what we're going to do, because this one is going to be locked, we're going to select the water level, which we have 6, actually 10 different ones. So we're going to put it in 6 because it's not a huge load. And we're going to select the program, which is going to be speedy or delicates or colors. So right now, we're going to use this one based on the instruction manual. We're going to do a speedy. These are the programs that you want to check with the instruction manual. So once we're done, this is going to be the water level. It's going to start like rising all that water inside. It's going to make sure that it's going to be on the water level that you choose before, depending on how much clothes you're going to put in. And now we're just gonna actually let it do its thing and come back in a little bit. Right now we can see through the window it's working perfectly, all that mixing with the detergent or the soap and the water. And then it's gonna start kind of like cycling out through the different levels and adding more water and adding kind of like the mixing with the soap. But you have normal, heavy, gentle, speedy, soak, wash, spin, and top clean. So those are gonna be the different programs besides the different types of water levels. So remember, 6 programs, 10 different types of water level. We have a number 5 right now. Let's actually let it finish and come back in a little bit. It's drying everything right now. It goes actually pretty fast, I have to say. So we are again on top of the lid. So let's actually wait a little bit more. This was about 15 minutes, some more than that's the speedy one. But you remember, you have multiple programs. And here we are, just finished after about, again, like 15 minutes or so. That was the speedy program, but you have many other ones. And we have everything right here, clean and ready to hang and kind of like dry. If you have a dryer, you can put it in the dryer. If not, you can just put it outside with the sun and it will dry perfectly. So I gotta say that this one, it is compact, easy to use, easy to set up. Actually, it's going to take you about no more than 15 minutes, everything together. And then you have the 6 multiple programs and the 10 different water levels, as well as this touch panel over here with the buttons. Close the lid, put up the water, put up the soap, close the lid, and you're all set, ready to go. Space saver, 15.75 pounds of load right here. I like it. Easy and convenient to have, of course, if you lack of space.